everybody, welcome to the studio. Today we're doing a drawing video on how to draw one of my favorite things, a planet. Not just any planet, but the first planet in our solar system, Mercury. Let's draw it. We're gonna start with a big old circle. Now I'm gonna add some shapes to kind of make it look like this Mercury has some craters in it. So I'm gonna add a couple circles, maybe some ovals, and a bean shape. Now I'm gonna add some dimension to this drawing by adding a little shadow to the side of these craters. So I'm just gonna draw a little line straight down along the side of the bean, and then I'm gonna match that angle on every single one of our craters, like this. Bloop. Bloop. It's better if you make the sound effects. Bloop. One left. Bloop. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of shading, this time just by adding lines. Mercury. Let's add some stars in the galaxy. Do you like how that star popped out? I'll show you how to do it. Draw a star. Now you're gonna draw a straight line out from each of these points. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you're just going to connect them. Add a few more of those. Some little circle stars too, just for some more detail. I'm gonna draw some circles and then 4 lines to make them really shine. And now I'm gonna label this drawing. I'm gonna write Mercury. M E R C U R Y. Mercury. I wonder how you would color yours at home if you were gonna draw this. Let's get creative. There we go, my drawing is complete. Remember, if you're drawing something like this at home, it does not need to look exactly like this. We are creative, we are unique, and so our art should be too. I hope that you had so much fun practicing and learning how to draw Mercury together. If you want to draw or make other things with me, subscribe to this channel, Kylee Makes It, Kylee, that's me, and I'll see you soon.